Hey guys, welcome to our classroom. On my blackboard I can draw. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that led inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. New words: gates यानी दरवाजा, वाइड यानी चौड़ा, लीड यानी नेतृत्व करना, चिमनी जो धुआं बाहर निकालता है, मैरीगोल्ड्स यानी गेंदा, स्ट्रेट यानी सीधा. Reading is fun. How many windows does the house have in this poem? Poem में कितने windows हैं? 5 windows आते हैं. Where do marigolds grow? Marigolds कहाँ उगे हैं? Against the wall. दीवार से सट के. Say loud. Draw, drain, drip. Brown, brain, brick. 3. Throw, thread. Grow, grapes, grey. Let's listen. Every room becomes dirty if not cleaned. Let's clean our classroom by singing this poem. चलो अब अपने क्लासरूम को साफ करते हैं इस पोएम को गाते हुए. I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Let's write. These are the 2 rooms of the house. Clear them. Based on this activity, complete the paragraphs. This is my room. It has कितनी खिड़की हैं? एक. It has one window. The color of my bed is. बेड का कलर क्या होगा? यहाँ पे आप क्लियर करो. There are 1, 2 and 3. 3 pictures on the wall. This is a hall. It has sofa and TV in it. We watch TV here. It has window curtains. It has one circular table. Using the pictures as clues, fill in the blanks. इन पिक्चर्स को क्लूज की तरह यूज़ करो और ब्लैंक्स को फिल करो. लाइक ही इज़ एज बिजी एज अ बी. इट इज़ अ बी. बी. Raj is as slow as a, what is it? It is a snail. What is this? This is a feather. This pen is as light as a feather. My hair is as black as a dark night or dark. Ask your friend to keep his mouth wide open. Keep his mouth half shut. Keep his mouth fully shut. चलो अब अपने दोस्त को बोलो. बहुत बड़ा मुंह फाड़े, फिर हल्का सा मुंह फाड़े और फिर बिल्कुल शांत हो जाए. Ask someone to close the door using the words. अब किसी को बोलो दरवाज़ा खोलने के लिए. वाइड ओपन यानी पूरा, हाफ शट यानी आधा एंड फुली शट यानी पूरा बंद. फाइंड द राइट सेंटेंस. Read the pairs of sentence below. Fill in the blanks in the second sentence with the opposite of the word in red. यहाँ पे जो रेड में लिखे हुए हैं उसके अपोजिट वर्ड को हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है. The boy is running very fast. Fast का अपोजिट स्लो. The boy is walking very slow. The clown is very happy. Happy का opposite sad. The clown is very sad. The girl is walking on the loose rope. Loose का opposite tight. The girl is walking on a tight rope. Change from singular to plural by adding es, ies and ves. For example, buffalo, buffaloes, baby, babies, knife, knives. एक रहता है तो सिंगुलर और एक से अधिक होता है तो प्लूरल. Like hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, fly, flies, lady, ladies, wolf, wolves, loaf, loaves. Fun time. Can you crawl like a baby? Crawl, crawl, crawl. Can you hop like a grasshopper? Hop, hop, hop. Can you zoom like an aeroplane? Zoom, zoom, zoom.